Hi everyone, and welcome to the TYLA online marketing video series. In this video, I'll be showing how to screen record using a Mac. Screen recording is the process of creating a video of what appears on your computer screen using the computer itself. In this particular video, I'm actually using my iPhone, which is an external camera, to record my computer screen. So you'll see my hand at the bottom of my computer here. So I'm using an external camera to record what's on my screen. Screen recording just allows you to use the computer to record itself. Screen recording is used for a number of reasons, such as creating video tutorials. The entire TYLA online marketing video series consists of tutorials using screen recordings. And this video simply shows you how to create such videos yourself. For attorneys, you may be interested in developing content in the form of videos for different social media platforms, whether it's YouTube or TikTok or even Facebook, or really any other social media platform. Screen recording can also be very helpful in your practice to visually demonstrate for someone, whether it's a new paralegal, a new secretary, or new associate, on how to perform a task using software that you use in your practice without having to type out instructions or talk to somebody on the phone over how to do it. You can just screen record and show them how to do it. So if you're using a Mac, the way to open up the screen recording program is to press all together at the same time, Command, Shift, and the number 5. Upon doing so, the program will open up. The program consists of this box, which is adjustable, and this toolbar here. It's very simple, very straightforward, but two components to it. This box is what's going to be recorded from your screen. You have two options: to record the entire screen or to record selected portion of your screen. For our purposes, we'll be recording a selected portion of the screen because I have other files that aren't essential to this particular tutorial. So once you have your area selected for what you want to screen record, you can select your options about where you want the video file to save after you're done doing the screen recording. I like to choose desktop, so it's just very easily accessible. You can also set a timer, not always necessary to use those options. So once you're ready to screen record, you just press record. But before we get started with a demonstration about how to use the screen recording, if you want to screen record a tutorial for the sample I'll be using is how to find Texas statutes using Westlaw. So if in your practice you use Westlaw, everybody in your firm needs to know how to access Texas statutes using Westlaw, and you just want to do a simple screen recording so that you don't have to keep repeating yourselves about how to find Texas statutes on Westlaw. Just screen recording, it's going to be there for forever. It's a very simple way to train staff or other attorneys. So I'll be doing a demonstration on this video about how to screen record a tutorial, and we'll get started here in a minute. So before we get started, we want to open up the screen recording program on Mac, pressing the Command, Shift, and 5 all at the same time. And we want to adjust this selected screen portion to just the program that we want to demonstrate, which is just Westlaw. So once we're ready to record, we press record and I'll do the demonstration. Hi, John. Welcome to the firm. We're so happy to have you. One of the things that everyone in our firm needs to learn how to do and know how to do is how to find Texas statutes using Westlaw. So you've already been given your Westlaw credentials. So once you log in, you'll be brought to this homepage. To find Texas statutes, go to State Materials, click Texas, and scroll down to Texas Statutes and Court Rules. And that is how you find Texas statutes using Westlaw. If you have any questions, please let me know. So after concluding the tutorial, you want to bring back up the toolbar to stop the recording. To bring that back up, you press, again, Command, Shift, and 5, and press stop. And notice here in the corner, the file shows up. You press it, and here we have our video file of the screen recording we just performed. And I'll play it for you so that you can see.
Welcome to the firm. We're so happy to have you. One of the things that everyone in our firm needs to learn how to do and know how to do is how to find Texas statutes using Westlaw.
So there you have it. There's your video, your tutorial. And once you're done viewing it, you can find it on your desktop because that's where you saved it. You can give it an appropriate title, such as Use Westlaw to Find Texas Statutes, and you have the video file. And that is how to use a Mac to screen record tutorials for online social media content in the form of videos, or even training tutorials for others at your firm, including paralegal secretaries and associates.